Hello everyone, in today's video let us know various ways of using LLMs. Firstly, let us know what are LLMs. LLMs are large language models and they are advanced AI models that will generate text data and they look like human like language. The most common examples of LLMs are ChatGPT, Gemini, and the applications include code generation, text generation, answering all the questions that we need, and they help in research, education, sentiment analysis, and many more. Now let us see the ways of using LLMs. First way of using LLM is web or app integration. Firstly, let us see web application. Yeah. Here I have already given a question. Which is the planet with highest number of moons? And it answered me it is Saturn. And let us see the second question, who is the president of India, and it have answered me in a paragraph. And then I asked it to give me in the same in 2 lines, and it customized the answer for me. According to the prompt, it will react. This is the first way of using. Coming to the second way, it is using API. LLMs are available as APIs. Let us see how it works. Here in Google AI Studio, we can get our own API key. It is unique for all the accounts that we create. By clicking it here, we come across our own unique key that will be created through which we can access the Gemini in our code without actually launching the model. Let us see an example that I have run. Yeah, here. Yeah. This first line, import google.generative AI as Gen AI. Here we can see we are importing generative AI and using the API key in the second line as we see. That is our unique API key that we have seen in the website before. That is unique for all, and we have to use the key here. And we are calling the 1.5 Flash Gemini. It is a model actually. We have many kinds of models available for free, and I am using this specific model. And the text that we get as response is printed. Let us see, let us run this code. Actually I have run it before, so this is how I got the reply or response from the Gemini. This is a test, how can I help you? This is actually given by the Gemini. This is how we can actually call it in a code, and make the prompts also in the code only. We can give a prompt to the Gemini that will be sent to it, and the response is used in the code. This is the second way how we'll use it. Coming to the third way, replication of model from Hugging Face. Models like Llama, Falcon, and GPT style models can be downloaded and run locally using Hugging Face Transformers library. Let us see this. Yeah, here. DeepSeek. Yeah, this is the interface, like home page of the DeepSeek. We can log in to our account, and here are the models, AI models that we can use. They include DeepSeek, Microsoft FIFO, Perplexity, and many AI tools. Yeah, here lots of content about DeepSeek, and we can use it here. Use this model. Transformers. Clicking on the transformers, actually it's a library in Python, and in this way, this is from Hugging Face, we can use the LLM. This is the third way. And coming to the fourth way, deploying on a local server. We can, instead of using like all the cloud services, we can host the LLM on a local machine or server using frameworks like fast api, flask, or docker for better control. Docker is used for more secured versions, like all our data is secured and confidentiality is maintained. Running an LLM using Olama for private enterprises use. Deploying it on a local server, we can run it like a command is given in our command prompt, Olama run DeepSeek, and all the content is now being run on our local server rather than all the cloud services. It is deployed on our local server. This is the fourth way. And here comes the fifth way: retrieval augmented generation, RAG. Enhancing LLM with external database sources, vector databases, to provide contextually relevant responses. Yeah, coming to RAG, I have put a picture here. Here, when we ask a question, then the smart retriever will look up and search it in the specific domain base, and the relevant documents are retrieved by him, and the question that we have given plus all the documents that are relevant to our prompt, sorry, the question whatever that is given to the LLM as generator, and then it will generate an answer, and this will give us more precise and more detailed answer by looking into the database. If for example, the previously asked question, what is the planet that has more number of moons, the previous answer was actually Jupiter. Before the scientists discovered it was Saturn. So whenever it is going to update, we will update the database here, then the answers are going to be updated by the LLM, or else the LLM would rather say it was Jupiter only, because it will dumbly or blindly, without any thinking or the second thought, it will answer blindly from the data. So if we update this database RAG, give it a specific details, then it will think and it will retrieve all the relevant documents from the knowledge database, and then it will answer by thinking twice, and thus we will get a correct and specific answer. Coming to the sixth type, it is fine tuning, training an existing model on domain specific data to improve performance. Requires techniques like tuning, fine tuning by PyTorch. This fine tuning a model means giving a database to a base LLM is pre training, and giving a private knowledge database, specific knowledge database to this base LLM is fine tuning, and thus it will turn into a fine tuned LLM. Actually, first time when we are giving it like pre training the model, then it is only having the data, but the updated data or the specific data that we want, like some medical data that we want, all the updates are given. It is working specifically on some topic. If we want the model to work only dedicated to a domain, then we will use fine tuning of a model. Coming to AI agents, LLMs combined with tools perform multi-step reasoning, execute API calls, or automate workflows. Example includes an AI assistant that books flights, check prices, and manage calendar events autonomously. Yeah, it is just like a personal assistant that we have, like a human assistant, I mean, that will book flights. For example, it is, yeah. Let's take this example. We are giving some input to the AI agent, and it includes many tools as shown here, and NLLM, math libraries, search APIs, RAG API as we shown before, and it will think here like all the observations are made here, and the AI agent will give an output. Final answer is reached there. This is just like a combined package of more tools. Yeah. Coming to the last way of accessing LLMs is base model usage. Using foundational models like GPT-4 or Llama or Mistral for downstream application without additional training. Example, directly using Llama 113B for content generation in a blogging tool. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you.